Confused about the slang cooked? Here's what you need to know in 60 seconds or less. Cooked is used when someone is completely exhausted, overwhelmed, or messed up mentally, physically, or socially. It can describe someone who's tired after work, had too much to drink, or is just totally drained. For example, after a long shift, someone might say, "I'm so cooked I can't even move." Back in the day, you might have said, "He's wiped out, she's zonked," or "they're toast." Now, when you hear cooked, you'll know it means someone is past their limit and running on fumes. Please share, follow, and like this video to help others understand youth trends like cooked.